The 2025 Kitchen Revolution. 4 cutting-edge trends changing the way we cook and live. As we step further into 2025, the modern kitchen continues to evolve beyond its traditional role as a cooking space. Today's kitchens are tech-integrated, eco-conscious, and designed for flexibility and wellness. Whether you're upgrading a small apartment nook or redesigning an open-plan family hub, these trends are not only shaping the way we cook, but the way we live. Let's explore the 4 most relevant and trending kitchen ideas dominating this year. The first major trend making waves in 2025 is the rise of AI-integrated kitchen assistants. These systems go beyond smart speakers. We're talking about AI-powered devices embedded into kitchen walls, countertops, and appliances. Think fridges that analyze their contents and suggest recipes, ovens that adjust temperature automatically, and voice-guided prep assistants that coach you through every stage of a recipe. These tools use machine learning to tailor recommendations to your dietary needs, time constraints, and even seasonal preferences. For podcasters and content creators, this trend offers rich storytelling potential as kitchens become interactive co-chefs rather than passive spaces. Sustainability has also become a non-negotiable kitchen feature in 2025. The new buzzword? Zero waste minimalism. Instead of simply choosing eco-friendly materials, homeowners are now designing entire kitchens around circular use systems. Composting drawers built directly into cabinetry, sinks that filter and reuse gray water for plant irrigation, and induction stoves that conserve energy while reducing airborne pollutants are becoming mainstream. Even kitchen layouts are being optimized to reduce wasteful motion and energy usage, influenced by ergonomic research and data collected from smart sensors. This kind of innovation not only supports the planet but elevates the kitchen into a forward-thinking eco-hub. A third trend rising in popularity is the modular kitchen lifestyle. In the post-pandemic hybrid living era, kitchens need to be versatile. People work, socialize, and even exercise in the same space where they once only cooked. As a result, modular furniture, movable islands, fold-down counters, hidden appliances is now key. High-performance surfaces double as desks. Dining tables transform into prep stations, and ceiling-mounted storage keeps clutter out of sight. This evolution is reshaping kitchen aesthetics too, as sleek, matte surfaces and warm, neutral palettes dominate in both form and function. The emphasis is on adaptability, one space that can instantly become many. Finally, wellness is driving perhaps the most intimate change: the biophilic kitchen movement. This trend merges interior design with natural elements to support physical and mental well-being. Kitchens now feature hydroponic grow walls for herbs and leafy greens, daylight-imitating LED systems to support circadian rhythms, and air-purifying paint that reduces VOC exposure. Even the layout considers mindfulness, with zones designed to reduce stress and increase productivity. Meditation corners beside breakfast bars, or slow zones for kids to cook with parents. It's no longer just about cooking well. It's about living well, with the kitchen as the center of it all.